Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to deposit money into your Binance wallet. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open the Binance app and log in to your account. If you currently have funds already in your Binance Exchange account, then go on to deposit by tapping Add Funds button. Select the token you want to buy. Enter payment method. Next, enter the amount and confirm the payment. After the token has been deposited into the exchange account, switch to your wallet by tapping Wallet at the top of the screen if you already have one, or go ahead to create it. Once in the wallet interface, tap on Receive. Choose which method you wish to receive tokens through. You can receive either by transfer from your Binance Exchange account, receive tokens via address by sharing your wallet address, and lastly, you can deposit via cards such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. Since you already have tokens in your exchange account, select Transfer from Binance Exchange. Select the token you want and enter the amount, then proceed to confirm the deposit from Binance Exchange to your wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next.